Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A98 and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to navigate into your settings, and here you want to scroll all the way down to About Device, select Storage, then scroll down again. And here you will find SD card. I'm gonna click on it. And then we're looking for, at the very bottom, Format SD card in red. Click on it. It will give you a pop-up that formatting will remove all the data from the card. So if you keep anything on it that you don't want to remove, make a copy of it to some other device maybe, or other card before you begin. Now, assuming you have already done this, or you simply don't want to back up anything on it, you can select Format. This will automatically begin formatting it. Give it a moment, it only takes about like 5 seconds, and as you can see, it's now finished and you can now use your card again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.